Okay, welcome to room 712 at the Helendorf in Helen, Georgia.
Hey, come on in. Uh, have some pretzels.
I want to show y'all the design work on this chair,
Really cute.
and then the bed has the same design of the Helendorf with the towers. This is a nice room, y'all. 2 queen beds, table, couple of chairs. Large flat screen TV, 4 good sized drawers. I want to show y'all on this side, there's a microwave. Then on the other side is a refrigerator. Now, this is a good size refrigerator. I mean, we've got 12-pack of water, 2 12-packs of soda in there, and there's still room. Close this back up, show you all the back side of the room here. When you step into the back area here, you have the facilities. Come around the corner here, ironing board, shelves with hangers, nice little table, and then full-size vanity, coffee maker, hair dryer, and there's storage down here underneath as well. Really like the setup in here, and it's certainly going to make our weekend at the Helendorf quite comfortable.
Yes, it is. If I get really aggravated, there's an extra bed.
But again, this is room 712 at the top of the steps on the 700 block is what they called it when we booked it. We'll see y'all later.